it's a blessing indeed to be alive. My name is Miss Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest, and you are indeed watching MX Breaks, the only show that brings you hot, off the press, and fresh lifestyle and entertainment news. Now, today I'm going to come and talk to you about Sista Afia, who celebrated her 28th birthday in grand style. Burna Boy announced a virtual concert live from London, and Weld Pro is a new app that is connecting instructors to clients. Starting with Sista Afia, she celebrated at Oasis Lounge, and it was indeed a star-studded event. Sista Afia turned 28 and made sure that she had the most fun. Several celebrities were in attendance, including Famiye, Fela McCarthy, and actually I was really wondering where Fela and Medical have been. I haven't seen them in a while. Ketcher, and many more. Afia was also spotted inside the building after having returned from her trip to the States. Now, I know you guys recall a few weeks ago, there was a little bit of a tiff between Sista Afia and Afia Adore, but as you can tell, they were at the party enjoying themselves, so it was all just for the gram. Indeed, that party was a night to remember, and fans also congratulated the singer as she shared pictures and videos of the event. Now, talking about awards, the 10th edition of the Radio and Television Personality, RTP Awards, took place at the Kempinski Hotel in Accra, Ghana. The award seeks to celebrate the top TV and radio personalities in the industry, commending their good work and showcasing their abilities. Kwame Sepakine of Peace FM and Bola Ray of EIB Network both won Personality of the Decade. Not year, guys. Decade. Yes, that's 2010 to 2020, a brand new category, and they were separated. The awards, were separated between TV and radio, allowing a showcasing of vast number of people. Every TV and radio category was covered, including a new category, Blogger of the Year, which went to the very own Isaac Ido, the name behind ghkweku.com. So a big congratulations from us to all of the winners, the nominees, and the people that are actually working very, very hard in the industry and that haven't been recognized yet. Keep going, don't stop, your time is sooner than you think. Now, it seems like while the UK has announced a second lockdown, some of its artists are locked out of the country. Like myself. Popular UK singer Stefflon Don was seen hanging out and having fun at Blue Bar in Accra. The singer was in company of Ghanaian comedian Made in Ghana as they enjoyed music and dancing. I mean, you know I got you covered. Let's take a quick look and see them having fun. Oh my goodness, I need to practice my dance moves, guys. I'm still not really fantastic in these things. But it isn't exactly clear what brought her to Ghana, but we'll be sure to keep you updated. From London to the world, Nigerian Afrofusion artist Burna Boy has announced a virtual concert set to be live November the 18th. That's next week. The worldwide broadcast is said to be hosted from the O2 Academy, Brixton, available exclusively on Melody VR. Now, Burna Boy shared that the show is going to be an amazing show, including his tracks from his newest album, Twice as Tall, as well as a new song dedicated to shining light on the Nigerian police brutality 2010-20. Now, I don't know about you, but I just can't wait. I am so happy that Burna Boy is still having his concert. He usually does his concert every October. COVID tried to stop it, but he was not letting that happen. And November, I am definitely going to be there virtually. So all my Prison Break fans, I know Prison Break is a well-loved series that has had its fair share of ups and downs. However, fans of the show were hit with shocking news a month after actor Dominic Purcell hinted at a potential sixth season. Now, Wentworth Miller has officially left Prison Break. In an Instagram post, the actor shared that he was officially out of Prison Break and that there will no longer be Michael Shorsfield. Now, he shared that he was tired of playing a straight character, saying straight character stories have been told over and over again. Wentworth officially came out as gay in 2013 and has since been advocating for the LGBTQ community. His former co-star Dominic Purcell commented on the post, sending his well wishes and support. Now, a lot of people are going to be heartbroken. I wonder if it's going to be one of those shows that will still, be amazing, or if it's one of those that, nah, he's out, we're out. Of course, I'm going to keep you informed. I got y'all covered. Still sticking with the movies, remember how infamous Johnny Depp was? Yeah, well, in an Instagram post, he shared that he has been asked and has accepted to resign from Warner Brothers. Yeah. He was initially set to reprise his role as Grindelwald in the movie Fantastic Beasts with the Harry Potter universe, brought to us by J.K. Rowling. However, due to the verdict in his domestic violence case with Amber Heard, Warner Brothers has decided to terminate his contract. He accordingly agreed, and his character will be recast. In a view of that, the movie has been pushed back from 2021 to be released in 2022 instead. I know that must have been painful, but I guess there's always consequences to your action. Sorry. Now there's a new app, guys, a new app. I know we have so many apps, but this is a new app for the world of fitness, okay? Weld Pro is a new app that aims to bring fitness trainers and customers closer together. More often than not, trainers either have to do it in person, doing classes, or relying on platforms such as YouTube. Not only is it difficult to serve personalized content, there's also the issue that a large amount of the money doesn't actually reach the trainers directly. So Weld Pro is built in two principles: connection and collaboration between the individual trainers and their clients, allowing them to interact directly. Yes, so the trainer actually receives 90% of the proceeds, and clients get personalized, real-time virtual fitness lessons as and when and how they wish. Imagine that. I mean, that is just amazing. Now, speaking on the fitness, and being healthy, time for my lifestyle segment. How many of you actually know how to ride a bicycle? Yes, that two-wheeler bicycle. Bicycles are a staple in the Netherlands, if you've ever been, with there actually being more bikes than inhabitants. Yeah, the usage of bicycles makes for an overall cleaner environment and healthier for the people themselves. Several countries across Europe encourage people to use more environmentally friendly means of transportation by creating bicycle routes, lanes, and free use to bicycles. I wish that this was implemented in Ghana. Yes, a lane for the Okada drivers and the bicycle lanes, because right now, as a driver, they can be a little bit annoying. The use of bicycles is expanding to include electronic bikes as well. Though they are more expensive, they allow older people to still be able to benefit. Now, we should all take a lesson from them to better our individual lifestyles. Though you may not be able to ride a bike to work or at all make a conscious effort to not always sit in your car, okay? Walk to the store, carpool to events, share the journey. Generally strive for a cleaner lifestyle. And what? I must commend Tamale, because they do that a lot. When I went to the north, I saw they have the tuk-tuks, people riding. I think they need to bring that down to Accra. We don't need all of this emissions in the air. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for you today. My name is Ms. Drew. I am your hostess with the mostest. It's been fun. I'll be back same time, same place tomorrow. Shout outs to my stylist, Bubune, Bive Styling on Instagram, Erica for my face and hair, for Blossom and Wednesday for my outfit, Leona for my nails, Chriselle for my hair, and of course, Justice my camera guy who's been doing it all, and of course the rest of the MX Breaks Beats team in the back. Have a lovely day.